Hi, I'm Sebatian Zilch and I'm part of the Easy Group that is run by Peter Wüst. In a few hours, Peter and I will fly to Tel Aviv, Israel, that is also known as the Silicon Valley of EMEA. It is a perfect example and prime hub for innovation. But what is the secret about Israel's growing innovation edge? Let's find out. Hi again! We finally arrived in Tel Aviv. We had a very good flight and tomorrow will be a long but hopefully very good and promising day. We are about to enter our innovation center. Well, what does innovation mean for you?
Innovation in general is, of course, driving new things, simplify things, get new processes, be creative, right? But at the end of the day, it needs to drive outcome. Customers need to see value. There's nothing better than talking to customers, understand their business problems and really innovate on that kind of stuff.
How do they perceive NetApp as an innovative brand?
I think in the market it's not broadly known how innovative we are. It's the whole organization that has to be and can be bold now in saying we cracked the code. We need to talk about that in the market and we need to sell it, right?
So now I'm in the Innovation Center in Tel Aviv, the Mode 2 office. I'm here with Yaron.
So we have a solution architect team, which is a global team, and we are responsible for field enablement of all of our cloud products. Cloud Manager, Cloud Sync, and ONTAP Cloud is obviously. This Innovation Center is essentially a startup within NetApp. We actually entrepreneur our own products. We need to create a pilot or a prototype and then get buy-in from management about the product that we do. The idea is very simple. We think about something, we create a quick mock-up/pilot and get in front of the customer and show them the concept. And we tell them, listen, what do you need to take this to the next level? What will be the next step for you to take this into operations? And by those inputs, we get a product which is very much field ready.
How do you live innovation?
We ask ourselves the same question every day, right? Because we want to encourage our team here to be creative, to think about what's the right way to solve problems as if they don't have any limitations whatsoever. And to make this change, we really need to think how to break some walls in organizational structure, organizational thinking, and so on. I think we need to do is to learn how people do it outside of NetApp. And we learn from other entrepreneurs. This is how we learned, for example, to build an e-commerce platform.
There isn't any other Western city that counts more patent registration per resident.
The idea about Israelis, there's a very direct approach and can-do mentality. Not always the right way to do it, but if you don't try, well, you can succeed if you won't try.
My view is that Israel doesn't have oil, no natural resources, right? No huge industry in any vertical. The only thing people could do here is try to become entrepreneurs and find business models that work. People feel they don't have a lot to lose if they try.
I encourage everyone to rethink, to reconsider how she or he is approaching work. Consider whether you have something to lose and what you could gain additionally. This has been a fantastic trip with many valuable meetings and conversations. An innovative mindset embraces critical questioning, creative and continuous improvement, and takes pride in taking ownership. Where should you release your innovative spirit?